So it's freaking cold. I'm like shaking already. Today we are in Athens, Texas. We are at the supposedly haunted monkey bridge. And the story behind this is like back in like the 1960s or whatever, there used to be like a bridge in this area that derailed. The monkeys got out and killed the circus owners. There's also many other stories, such as like underground tunnels in the city of Athens that like all connect and make a pentagram and all that stuff, like Satan worship, cults and stuff like that. I don't know if any of those are true, but apparently that's what's been going on.
Is that it?
Yeah. Okay guys, we found it. A little bit sketched out from what happened last time. What? There's a bear? Because we want to make sure we're not accidentally trespassing on someone's property. Because there's one place I went to where we almost got like in really bad trouble because we were trespassing and we didn't even realize it. I'm sorry if I'm like shaking right now, but it is so freaking cold.
It's like 30 degrees here.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's got like some kind of...
Yeah, but yeah, there's a freaking bear here. Like, what the heck?
That bear is actually like terrifying.
Oh! Oh wait, there's the railroad tracks. Down there.
Oh, Mike, these are the tunnels, bruh.
Look.
There's got to be tunnels somewhere because of that concrete.
Maybe so. I think I saw an article they investigated into that and the grounds actually can't support tunnels.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm sorry I'm shaking so much.
It's a train. Oh my god, this is the train track because look. These are the train tracks.
Oh, what the heck? But yeah, that's weird how there's a bear here. What the crap? Okay, guys, I had to go back to the car to get like another hoodie to put on because like I'm shaking a lot less now. I'm still shaking a lot, but it is so freaking cold here. Like it's in the 30s right now. So we're gonna go head down to like the bridge area on the train track. Yeah, so we didn't see any paint stripes or ribbons on the trees, no trespassing signs, no fences. So hopefully we aren't trespassing. And again, I'm trying not to get shot today.
Yeah, we went this way. Did we go this way?
No, we didn't.
No, we didn't.
Farther away than back here.
I was like, what the hell is going on? Bro, there's literally a trail.
Really?
Like a fat ass trail, Michael. Bruh. What? Mike?
What the heck? There's a shoe.
Bruh. Okay, this is some creepy over here.
No, that's creepy right there because you see the shoe.
Mm-hmm. You can see the shoe.
Yeah, I think that it could be homeless people.
Yeah, that's what I was just about thinking.
Look at all this trash.
But it could just be cultists.
Look at all the, wait, what the heck? There's a bunch of water bubbles.
A bunch of what?
Water bubbles.
Keep going. All the way down. I got my knife open in my hand in my pocket.
Do you hear that?
Does that sound like an animal or people?
I think it sounds like him.
What the? Keep going. Whoa. This is really spooky.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's got to be an animal. But anyway, there's a
there's a train tracks, I think. It's got to be animals. Because if it were people, they wouldn't make it that noticeable. And plus, dude, what if it's like the spirits of like the monkeys or something?
It could be.
But here's the train tracks, guys.
I want to go by it.
What's that?
Let me go.
Yeah.
Dude, this is
There's the train tracks, guys. So this is the area where supposedly a train again derailed. Monkeys got out and supposedly killed the circus owners.
Where was he at?
But yeah, Aaron, also like apparently like there's like cults and stuff. A whole group of like cult members running away.
Wait.
Or like or satanic cults or something like that. I think
I
up,
literally can't even hear what it said.
but up there is where we were before, like right up there.
Yes.
There's that wooden post somewhere up there. We were looking down the train track.
Is that what we want to go back to?
Yeah, you want to go back up there?
Yeah, I feel like it'd be a good spot to investigate because it's got like the old ass train track.
Yeah. Dude, we saw like a chute and then someone left a bear up there. Like on the wooden
someone left a
fence.
damn
There's a
bear.
freaking bear sitting there. Like we didn't plant that there or anything. It was just there. Should we take it? Could be a haunted object for our haunted
What if we don't
museum.
touch it with our hands?
Wear gloves. I should have brought the holy water and stuff, just in case
Yeah.
it's like a cursed bear or something or a haunted bear. But I'm pretty sure someone just stuck it there just to be for it to be scary, you know.
What sounds do monkeys make?
Dude, that sound okay.
Like a monkey.
I wasn't recording that, but
What?
I was not expecting. There's no way. It's probably most likely a bird, obviously, but it almost sounded like a monkey. But yeah, we did hear something. It was most likely a bird, but I don't know. Kind of sounded like a monkey
It did.
for a second.
Yeah, this is weird. What's that bear not be there anymore?
Yeah, what if we walk back over here, guys, and the bear's not there? That'd be creepy. So we're probably gonna set up right in front of this fence over here, where I guess the old bridge used to be. What?
I felt like I heard wrestling in the bushes.
Yeah, we've been hearing a lot of wrestling in the bushes.
What's that smell?
I don't smell anything. Do you hear that?
Some kind of like fresh green.
Well, obviously someone comes here, and every place we go to somehow has beer cans laying everywhere.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, like someone just left this beer here. I don't know if we should take it or leave it. What if it's like a cursed bear or something? Or maybe a haunted bear that someone wanted to get rid of?
Of course I will. My hands are burning. Oh crap, I forgot there's a tripod on this thing.
Okay. You still recording?
Is it big enough to do it?
Well, it'll have trouble getting us on the front. I don't want the light pointing that way. Just hold it.
Yeah.
You're recording, right?
That's a monkey.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, that's a monkey.
What the heck? Look, 0.7. We're getting milligusses right now
My goodness.
already.
That's probably me. Oh wait,
Yeah,
what's it that?
It might be that tree limb here.
Oh, but now it's not getting anything.
Yeah, we did get a couple of milligusses on the...
Mike, put
What?
it to the bear.
Oh, is it that bear's too close to the antenna? Okay, I don't see any milligusses. What is that noise? That has to be some type of bird. There's no way. Because there just wouldn't be random monkeys here right now. I get a spirit box over here. Dude, what the fuck? Why does it sound like that? Alright, is there anyone here with us that would like to speak? Is there any circus owners here that have passed away that want to speak with us?
Is that as loud as I can go?
Yeah. Is it true that a train derailed here? Yeah. Did the monkeys really kill the circus owners? I think I would yell. What's the temperature? If there's anyone here with us, can you touch the silver antenna on my Mel device right here?
It said 0.1.
Really?
Yeah, look.
Oh, I just saw that. What the heck? Oh, 0.1 again. My phone's on airplane mode too, so it can't be anything electrical right now. So we're getting milligusses right now. There's no power lines here either. Except for
Make
the
sure
pole.
mine's... Now mine's on airplane mode.
Why does it sound like that? Something new. It's temperature again. Dude, if you look, it's 35 degrees out here right now. There's the temperature live right there, 34.9.7. So it's still cold out here, guys. Alright, back to me. Alright. Can maybe one of the circus owners that died here give me your name? Can you say your name, please? The speaker's on the back of this for some reason. Yeah. Temperature. Dude, the temperature is fluctuating a lot right here for that to make it, because it's going up and down by like a whole degree.
Yeah, dude.
How many spirits are we speaking to right now? I think I heard winter. I saw that. Did you see it? Alright guys, something touched the silver antenna.
How you turn the light down?
It's all the way down.
Oh, damn.
But guys, something touched our REM device and the null device. I saw that with my own eyes while we were recording this too.
I don't know if I got it on camera.
Whoever touched the silver antenna on our Mel device, can you please do it again? Can you please show the world that the afterlife is real and you do it to us? Yeah.
I heard you. Yeah.
Just touch that silver antenna for us.
All you gotta do is touch it.
Again, we're not here for any personal gain. We're here to just simply show the world that there is an afterlife. We do this because we love it. We don't do this for publicity. We're simply here just to investigate the afterlife, the paranormal, and try to understand it better. And we want to know your story.
I'm thinking maybe you should slow that thing down.
Yeah, that's right. Can you say your name, please? Did that just say what I thought it said?
Did it say my name?
Can you say my name? My name is Michael.
Bear come back there? Like a whoo?
Are you attached to the bear? Is this bear haunted? Who left this bear here? I think I just heard bear. Is this your bear?
I kind of want to set up some cat balls and stuff.
Yeah. Are you behind us? Alright, I'm about to turn the spirit box off. Is there any last things you'd like to say? Say it now. When we weren't recording. Guys, the freaking something touched the antenna yet. Like, we're not like joking. I don't think it wants to be recorded. But something just touched the silver antenna again. It set off our mail device. The REM function on it. Right when we weren't recording, when I was crouching down to get something on my bag, it went off again. Very slightly. It just spiked to the first level. Whoever is here, do you just not want to be recorded? But I'm pretty sure we were recording last time it went off, but we weren't pointed at it, so I'm pretty sure it heard it. It's okay, again, like, we're not here to harm you, we're just here to communicate. We mean all due respect.
No,
we just want to know your
I'm recording
story.
the light now.
Yeah, I'll set up our recording cameras.
We have set two. One up there,
Alright,
I think there should be
you can also, if you'd like to say anything, you can say it directly into this little boom mic on the camera I'm pointing to. It can sometimes pick your voice up, but not always. If you want to say anything into that mic, you can say it right now. I'm also setting this cat ball right here. All you have to do is touch it, wiggle it a little bit, and you can make it go off just like that to let us know you're here. Alright, if you want to show us that you're here, can you please set off that cat ball or touch our silver antenna again, please? Again, the temperature is fluctuating so much.
It really is.
Because it's going to from like 34 to 35, 36, down to 34 again.
Mm-hmm.
There's no wind right now. Oh! I just heard the REM function again. There it goes. And again, like, it's not because the bear or anything's too close to it, because like it would constantly be going off if that bear was interfering with it. Because you have to get pretty darn close for it to go off. See that close. But yeah, it just slightly went off. Did you hear it?
Mm-hmm.
But it, like, literally, like, it went off, but it wasn't enough to make it like light up more though.
Mm-hmm. Well, actually, I saw it go up.
All right, thank you for touching our silver antenna on the REM pod for letting us know that you're here. Oh, it did it again. Okay, I kind of don't want to touch the bear. What if it's like haunted?
Is it a bad idea to touch the bear? Could you touch the silver antenna or touch that? Make one of these go off. Meaning it is a bad idea to touch that.
Can you maybe set the cat ball off to let us know?
So it's a bad idea?
Okay, is the bear... Can you step away from the antenna, please? So it's a bad idea to touch the bear, okay? We're not going to touch the bear then, okay?
I won't touch the bear.
Alright, touch the silver antenna on the REM pod.
It's about to be 33 degrees.
If you're attached to the bear. Are you attached to the bear? Touch the REM, like the silver antenna if you're attached to the bear. So you're not attached to the bear. Alright, can you touch the silver antenna to confirm if you're not attached to the bear and the bear is a separate entity? You can also set the cat ball off too to let us know.
I was gonna say, if you would, please set off the cat ball. That way we have like double confirmation.
The temperature is constantly fluctuating so much. Again, also, if you'd like to give us a message, you can say it directly into my boom mic on my camera. Again, we can't hear your voice with our own ears, but sometimes this microphone can pick your voice up.
33.4. It's almost actually freezing.
Yeah, it's like on the verge of freezing. It's literally 33 degrees right now.
It's literally 33.4.
But it was 35 when we first got here, so now it's 33 already. So the temperature did drop quite significantly. Like the temperature's been dropping quite significantly. I can't speak.
32 point. Oh, it's just 33.
Now it went back up. It went from 31. Wait, no, 30. What was it? 33?
It was 32.
It was 32.
So almost 34 now.
See what I mean? The temperature is fluctuating so much.
I say that's definitely something. That is something because now it's 34 degrees.
I thought I heard something.
It's going back up.
Yo.
Now it went down.
I swear I just heard something in the woods. Okay.
I kind of want to set another cat ball out.
Temperature drops, so like the temperature should not be fluctuating that much.
Yeah, I'd say we need to put that one like behind us or something.
We just had the silver antenna go off again. Yeah. The cat ball.
We need to put that one behind us or like to the side of us.
The REM just went off already.
Yeah, I know. But I think we should put one of the cat balls away from here because.
Okay.
My theory is like.
All right, we set another cat ball down right there if you want to touch it. We still got the one on the fence right here. Can you maybe touch one of our cat balls now? You've touched our REM function several times on a REM pod. Or a Mel device. Can you set off one of those cat balls for us, please?
If you're an evil spirit, can you light up one of the cat balls?
We heard monkeys kind of earlier in the woods. We don't know if it was birds. Could have been birds. It sounded like monkeys to us. Can you maybe set off one of those cat balls if it was indeed like monkeys, kind of like the spirits of monkeys or something? Or just a certain negative energy emanating? Did you hear that, or is that your leather mimicking that noise?
I don't know. Oh yeah, it's my leather probably.
Yeah, it was.
Bad to bud.
Okay, can you set off one of the cat balls if you want us to go down to the tracks?
If you could please set a cat ball off. What?
That's just been continuously going off, like, non-stop.
Yeah.
The temperature, I think. Dang, that stayed off for a long time. Okay. Can you please set off one of our cat balls for us? We would appreciate it a lot.
I'm gonna touch this bear if you don't set off a cat ball.
Okay, I'll grab the mail device, you grab the cat balls. I'm gonna keep recording just in case anything happens. Okay guys, we set the cat ball up on the train tracks right here. Aaron's gonna be recording. I'm just gonna do a spirit box session down here. See if we can capture anything right down here by the railroad tracks. Actually face this way, so the cat ball's behind me. So if it does go off, we can see it.
Great idea.
Okay, we went down to the train tracks. Did you follow us down here? Yeah. Yeah, again. Again, are we speaking to one of the circus owners that got killed by the monkeys? Are we speaking with the spirit maybe that might be attached to that bear? Do monkeys haunt the woods in this area? I think I heard yes, like a deep voice go yes. Are we in any danger? No.
Yeah, I heard no.
Is the bear up there on the fence really haunted? Does the bear up there have an attachment?
Is the bear dangerous?
I think I heard spirit. How old are you? I think I heard bear. Can you set off our cat ball right there, please? I think I heard cat. Yes, our cat ball. It's right there on the. I'm pointing to it. Can you let us know you're here by like setting that off? All you have to do is tap it, put your energy into it. It's not going to harm you or anything. It's just going to light up and let us know you're here. Dude, it sounds freaking scary down here.
I agree.
Is there anyone in the woods watching us? Yeah. Who's watching us? Are you a good spirit? Are you an evil spirit? Okay, here's your last chance to say anything you want to through the spirit box, or my boom mic on my camera. I'm about to turn the spirit box off, so say it now, please. Alright, turning off in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so we finished up down at the train tracks. We're heading back up to the car. We're gonna grab something to break the skin contact with the bear. Yes, we're probably gonna take the bear because someone obviously put it there for a reason, probably because it's haunted or it has attachment to get rid of it. Or they just put it there for it to be creepy, one of the two, but we're gonna see if that bear is haunted and we're gonna make a video on it later. Again, we're gonna take all the necessary precautions pertaining to a haunted item. Should have brought my holy water with me, but right now we're just gonna keep from directly touching it for skin. Because there's no telling what could be attached to that bear if there is anything attached to it, so